I can't keep pretending this feels right anymore. The late night, the burnout, the endless deadline and submissions. Somewhere inside all of this, I think I lost a part of me that actually loved creativity. Hello, you are listening to Notes and Noise. I am Nandita, an architect, designer, trying to figure out where computational, AI, and this career are actually taking us. So let's get into it. So, I'm an architect transitioning into computational designer. And honestly, I love it. I love creativity. I love system thinking. I love problem solving, building workflows, experimenting with ideas. I love the feeling of developing something that would make life easier, smarter, and more meaningful. But lately, I've been asking myself something over and over again, what exactly I am doing. Because most day, I don't feel creative anymore. I feel like I'm just exhausted. The documentation, revision, coordination, deadlines, fixing things at midnight. And somewhere between all of that, I started feeling stuck. And I know most of you would relate when with being in computational design or tech. The feeling that you have to constantly update yourself, keep it up with where the world is going on, learn a new workflow, learn about AI, a new scripting, new automation, or another software. And then suddenly you open social media and you see all those creative people building incredible tools, simulation, automation, invisible, and suddenly start wondering, am I behind? Am I not doing enough? Am I not learning enough? But the strangest thing is, I know I am capable of all of these things. I do experiment. I do use Grasshopper. I use Dynamo. I explore a lot of automation workflow. I also use Python scripts. I genuinely enjoy doing all of this process, this problem solving. But even after doing all of that, why do I feel stuck? Why does it feel like I'm not moving forward towards the version of me that I have imagined becoming? A few days ago, I was sitting, staring at my Revit screen late at night. I realized I'm just exhausted, completely exhausted. And I remember thinking, where did all that excitement go that I used to feel when I try to create something? Where is that curiosity, that experimentation, that feeling that I get when I create something new or I wanted to just explore something different? And I realized maybe I have been surviving too long without actually pausing to reflect. That's why I'm starting this podcast. Not because I know everything or I have figured out what computational design is, what AI is, or architecture, or even life. I definitely haven't. This podcast is more like a documentation process for me, a place where I can honestly talk about what this transition feels like, that ambition, the confusion, the burnout, the creativity, the late nights, all of it. And maybe if you are listening to me right now, you relate to some part of this too. Maybe you are an architect trying to move into tech. Maybe you are learning coding after work. Maybe you feel creativity is nowhere there now. You feel stuck. Maybe you're just tired of pretending that you have everything figured out. I want Notes and Noise to feel like a quiet late night conversation, not something polished or perfect, not productivity culture. Just honest reflection about creativity, computational thinking, architecture, AI workflows, burnout, anything. Sometimes it might be technical, sometimes it might be emotional, sometimes it will just be a thought at midnight after a very difficult day or those burnout days. And honestly, I think that's okay because maybe growth doesn't always look dramatic. Maybe sometimes it looks like slowly finding your way back to yourself, one late night at a time. You don't have to know everything immediately. You don't have to master every tool. You don't have to become perfect before starting. And maybe this podcast is my reminder of that. So, wherever you are right now, working late, feeling lost, learning something new, trying to reinvent yourself quietly, I hope this space makes you feel a little less alone. And maybe somewhere between all this noise, we will figure things out together. That's it for this one. If any of this landed with you, share it with someone in the same mess. I am Nandita. This is Mood and Noise. Talk to you soon. Good night.